What's right about Beverly is all the opportunities you have while at school and how amazing you feel in school. Can I do this again?
What's right about Beverly is Mr. Carey.
What's right about Beverly is the basketball program.
What's right about Beverly is that Honor Bar is 5 blocks away.
The great diversity and the amount of people we have here at our school.
What's right about Beverly is my classmates.
What's right about Beverly is KBEV.
What's right about Beverly? The amount of electives there are.
The amount of opportunity that's offered here.
What's right about Beverly is Mr. Carey and KBEV.
What's right about Beverly is our healthy vending machines with non-GMO options for all students.
Mr. Carey and the amazing KBEV program.
What's right about Beverly is the basketball program.
What's right about Beverly is the friendships I've been able to make here.
KBEV and Mr. Carey.
What's right about Beverly is all the opportunities Mr. Carey gives us in KBEV.
What's right about Beverly is KBEV.
What's right about Beverly is all the electives we have the opportunity to choose from.
What's right about Beverly is the family-like environment where everybody is welcome.
What's right about Beverly is the KBEV class.
What's right about Beverly is the teachers and staff.
What's right about Beverly is KBEV.
What's right about Beverly? The KBEV program, Mr. Carey, and of course, Ryan Demavandi.
What's right about Beverly is the vending machines.
What's right about Beverly is Mr. Hewitt.
What's right about Beverly is the KBEV program.
What's right about Beverly is Mr. Bradbury.
What's right about Beverly is the support from the teachers and the sports programs.
What's right about Beverly is the sports program and balling up with Mr. Carey.
What's right about Beverly are the cookies from the cafeteria.
What's right about Beverly is KBEV.
What's right about Beverly are the staff and Mr. Carey, especially in his KBEV class.
What's right about Beverly is Ruffle working at the cafeteria.
What's right about Beverly is Jose greeting us every day.
What's right about Beverly is KBEV, the sports program, and all the people at the school.
Let's start over. What's right about Beverly are all the teachers who care about their students and who want to make the year fun.
What's right about Beverly is the amazing security guards we have that protect students from doing bad things.
What's right about Beverly is all the classes and clubs that they offer to help their students become successful.
What's right about Beverly are the amazing and enthusiastic people at the school.
What's right about Beverly is all the enthusiasm and positive energy from every single student.
What's right about Beverly are the enthusiastic teachers and all the wonderful people who go to the school.
What's right about Beverly? What's right about Beverly is our amazing athletic programs.
What's right about Beverly is the extracurriculars.
The amazing students and teachers.
What's right about Beverly is KBEV and Carey.